Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. This is a requested video to do a Bible verse today, and it doesn't really fit into my 3, 2, 1 category, so I've just made it a separate video altogether. All right, so I'm going to put the person who requested the video here, my subscriber. Thank you so much for your request. And they wanted me to translate John 3:16. John 3:16. Na sɛdeɛ Onyankopɔn dɔɔ wiase nie, sɛ ɔde ne ba a ɔwoo no koro no maeɛ, na obiara a ɔgye no di no anyera, na wanya nkwa. There's another version that ends slightly different, so instead of na wanya nkwa, it is na wanya nkwa a enni awieɛ. Na wanya nkwa a enni awieɛ. Okay, so let's start from the top. Na sɛdeɛ Onyankopɔn is God. Onyankopɔn, God. Do is to love. Love or do is love. So love. So God love. Wiase. Wiase is the world. Wiase. Na sɛdeɛ Onyankopɔn dɔ wiase nie. God's love for the world, or the people of the world, wiase nie, someone of the world. Sɛ ɔde ne ba, that his child, ba is child, ɔwoo no. Wo is to give birth, that he gave birth to. Koro is the same as saying one, like baako, one, but it sort of means one and only, or yes, only. So it is only baako, the one. But in this context, baako wouldn't suffice. So krono, ba ɔwoo no, koro maeɛ, to give. Na obiara, whoever, ɔgye no, gye is to believe, accept, to take. So the child that he gave birth to, his one and only child that he gave to us, obiara, whoever believes, accepts, or takes, ɔgye di anyera. Yera is like to be lost, so it's like you wouldn't be lost. Na wanya, they will get, they will gain, they will receive. Nkwa. Nkwa is life. Nkwa is long life, everlasting life. The other version says nkwa a enni awieɛ. Nkwa a enni awieɛ. Nkwa again is life. Enni without awieɛ, without end, or that never finishes. So one says you get everlasting life, and the other one, the translation makes it seem like you have life without end. Na sɛdeɛ Onyankopɔn dɔɔ wiase nie, sɛ ɔde ne ba a ɔwoo no koro no maeɛ, na obiara a ɔgye no di no anyera, na wanya nkwa. Other version, na wanya nkwa a enni awieɛ. You are the Most High. Oh, you are the Most High.